Hello guys, for today's video. So we are here in Barangay Agutayan, Batu Leyte. The owner of this house requesting Hero Mike Sisting requesting to repair his hair items. So everybody's here. Ha? English at tarong kinapasmuhan. They are repairing their sala set and the dining set. So the master is here. All ito sablan. And then the sakuragi. And then the volunteer is here. They are just seeing because they don't know how to repair and they don't know how to repolish and everything. So napasmuhan man taron guys. Mag-in-English kinahay tagsuway. Og kani anhin na jud ko ma-viral siguro. This is the time that that maybe this is the time that I maybe a viral in the suksay, in the sukmed media, social studies man kay suksay. So that's it for today. Agit it. Ha? Di ana og ang the flower is very nice. Ha? Oh, look at that. If the Japan is there is a unsa nga na blossom. Here there is also a blossom. Okay, this is the madam. No, the madam is here, and then the backup.
The Sakuragi friends.
So that's all muna for this time because not yet finished. Maybe later I can make a video for the final retouch. Final countdown maybe later. And then tomorrow, 4 days in the lechon manok. Ha? 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 Be shout out sabi. Do not speak
With feelings.
Oh, yan. Speak English. Do not speak.
Out with feelings.
Oh, with feelings. Amiga love shout out. Oh, oye. Oye vlogs.
Alihos batulit.
Oh, ha? Oh. So, the other is
Manigana ito minsan ba? Ngato ko sa Batangas.
Mo day nga siya kabag kay sige man tog ingon nga mo uban lagi nagmayo.
so, okay.
Namenyo man day kadali.
Mura na siya new, no? Mura nag-new. So, ana pa ni siya ron. Unya, nindot na gyud ni siya kay di ang mga the master. So, bye-bye for now. And thank you for watching.